Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to install MX Player on your Fire TV. MX Player is a reliable media player that supports a wide range of file formats, and I'll be showing you how to install it. And all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. To start, we'll first need to turn on dev mode so that we can sideload apps. To do that, go to the last icon on the right side. Then move down and select Fire TV. Click About. Then click your Fire TV stick name 7 times until it says you are already a developer. Now press the Home button to go to the home screen. From the home screen, move over to the Find tab. Then go down to the App Store and click it. Next, go down and over to the Search tab and search for Downloader. Click it, then click Download. This app is used to sideload apps that aren't available in the regular Amazon App Store. But before we sideload any apps, it's always a good idea to sign into your VPN first. If you don't already have a VPN, you can use the link in my description to get a discount on NordVPN. When the installation is complete, click Open. Click Allow. Then click OK. In the search box, type the following code: 8 9 4 7 4 9 and click Go. MX Player will start downloading. When the download is complete, click Settings. Click Install Unknown Apps. Click Downloader to turn it on. Click Back and back again. Now click Install and install again. Click Done. Click Delete and delete again. Press the Home button. Go to the far right side, then down to My Apps. Now look for MX Player and press and hold it, and you can now move it to the top for easy access. This app is an amazing media player, but if you're looking for an app that can give you hundreds of IPTV channels for free, then watch this video right here.